Okay, that's it. We are on Sounds of Beethoven number 3. This is A, C, and E all together. Look at my hands so you can see what's happening. A, C, and E all together. It's loud first time, soft the second time. 1, ready, go.